Man, all of this stuff chopped down from the storm because of the, yeah, it's a pretty violent storm. A lot of fences needing to be mended. This is a steep hill. There's a lot of steep hills over here. I went down the wrong track. I'll just make my way up here. Slowly. Air's so fresh and clean after all the storms. It totally looks like an almond tree. I made it, making it up the hill. Man, what a workout I'm getting in. Whew. All the wreckage from the storms. Winter 2017. Yeah, Sacramento.
Found it down there.
Oh, that's cool.
Probably went to like one of those wine barrels. Yeah, this.
A wine barrel. What are you eating? Peanuts? Mm.
See this? Milk thistle.
Milk thistle? That's supposed to be really good for, well, I don't need that anymore, but it's supposed to be good for mothers. That's milk thistle. You put
I believe so.
Make it, that's it right there?
It's the head of it.
Huh.
I wonder if there's any seeds
I heard
in
that
here.
it's good for nursing moms. If they're having a hard time producing milk, then they can drink a tea of milk thistle.
The crushed seeds, I believe.
Oh, the crushed seeds?
Yep.
Interesting. Look at the leaves, look really cool too. Milk thistle. Are you going onward or what's going on here? There's a bunch of little holes here.
I'll be right back.
Okay. I got you.
Now, I believe you can eat the leaves of that.
Of the milk thistle?
Yeah, I believe you just gotta cut the thistles off.
Like the spiny parts here?
But don't mark my words.
Yeah, definitely look this up.
It's not as if we're picking it and eating it anyway.
Yeah, definitely look it up. Wow. It's just like so much here available here.
With all the rains, long dormant seeds are coming up.
Yeah, that's true, huh? Wow, look at that. It kind of looks like when the artichoke plants get old, huh? Because they get really spiky looking. Okay, I'm gonna make my way through here. Slowly but surely. A lot of insects. God, we were getting tore up by those mosquitoes yesterday. Man, you know, we could get a lot of like firewood out here if we needed it. Oh, that's birch, huh?
Saw this and I decided, why not?
Yeah, it's nice. I like that.
You can make a slingshot out of that.
But birch is a good.
Why not?
Yeah, a birch slingshot.
Birch is good. It's
This
a
is
good
heavy
wood. It's a good wood.
Piece of wood here.
Definitely.
It's pretty solid.
Yeah.
Looks like at one time.
Oh, yeah?
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, that's good for cuts and injuries and stuff.
Birches.
Probably when it's fresh.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you use the sap or something
Yeah,
from the
the
tree?
sap.
Do you guys want to go down this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
The tour is going right on schedule.
Well, I am recording this, so nobody's getting in the film except for me here and there.
Oh, yeah.
So
Something I need to know.
about what?
Tree over here.
About what tree?
The oak. Or walnut.
Well, that big tree over there.
Oh yeah, that. Wow.
kind of oak.
Okay.
Where? That one?
One right here.
Oh god, I gotta get through here. Careful! Branches and sticks everywhere.
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay. Footing.
It's like a live oak of some kind.
Well, have you never
It's just
seen
really
it here?
weird because the leaves are sprouting real thin. They
Huh.
almost look like an olive tree from a distance.
Yeah, the olive branches are similar, huh? Is this all connected? Looks like somebody's living there.
Woods.
Huh?
Cache of stuff.
You saw a rabbit? Is it gone?
Yeah, it just popped off.
It's for you to see, man. That's a good sign. Spring's coming, and rabbits symbolize spring, fertility. Word. It just took off, huh?
Yeah, it just ran. Yeah, it just started running away.
That was cool.
Did we just come full circle now?
The trail.
It was fine. Did you guys want to go further or head back? Or we're going up some hills.
Mm-hmm.
You feeling the hills?
How you doing? I'm cool. Whatever you feel is cool. If it's getting a bit too much for you. Let's go this way.
Okay.
Okay.
Through this way?
Yeah. That was a lot that happened in those few minutes I was over there.
Oh, yeah. With the rabbit.
Yeah, I saw
Wish
a
you could have
rabbit,
seen it.
and then flying right from where my foot was, a black butterfly, and then while I keep walking, then after I keep walking a little bit, I see a dude with what looks like a bow staff.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
That's funny.
That's yeah.
Oh, look at those pink flowers on that
This
tree.
might be cherry blossom, right?
You think so?
Probably not, but
Did it have cherry blossom? Really?
might be.
Huh.
Look at the bark.
Look at the...
Yeah, it could be the other one. The other, you know.
It's beautiful. Definitely stands
plum.
out. Plum? Yeah. Could be plum.
That's white too, usually, so.
Does it smell fragrant?
Slight smell.
Uh,
Oh, I think that squirrel smells what you're eating.
Look how smooth.
oh, is there a
right
squirrel
there.
over us over here?
Yeah, it's in that tree over there.
This does lead me to
Where?
believe it's a cherry.
Oh, yeah?
Where
Yeah, it
is?
probably is, because, like, the way that it's shaped and everything.
But it's this, how it almost looks like it's sheets on there, the way the bark is.
Yeah,
Leads me to
yeah.
believe it might be cherry.
Ow.
Careful, it'll poke you.
Trying to get in on it. What were you saying?
How smooth the bark
the
is,
texture of it.
like all the little lines. It almost seems like it's stretched or wrapped or something. It's
Yeah,
not.
it
It's just the
does.
bark. But it just looks that way. It's
So that's a kind of a characteristic of a cherry tree.
it might be, maybe not. This must be some of the old grist mill infrastructure here.
Probably. So we're kind of just in the grist mill area. Look at all of that.